This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Andrew Kincaid. Welcome to 2892 Sandy Cay Street in the sought-after 55-plus community of Heritage Hills. Located on a 1/4 acre corner lot, this Monroe model is very sought after for the spacious rooms and floor plan. The 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms plus office with formal living room and dining room make this a perfect home for entertaining. The extended screened lanai with pavers is the place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. You will love the beautiful engineered hardwood flooring in the main living area and office. The roof was replaced in 2024 and the HVAC is also newer. Fabulous split bedroom floor plan works out great for guests. One of the bedrooms has its own private bathroom. The rooms are all spacious. The window covering stays as well as all the appliances including the washer and dryer. The kitchen has plenty of cabinets and granite countertops with a breakfast bar and separate breakfast nook. The primary bedroom features 2 walk-in closets and sliding doors to the lanai. There is a 3-car garage for additional storage. You will enjoy this quiet neighborhood. Heritage Hills amenities include a heated pool and spa, pickleball, tennis, basketball, bocce ball, shuffleboard, clubhouse with planned activities, lots of clubs to join, fitness center, art and crafts room, billiard room, card room and ballroom for holding events. Exterior is painted every 6 years, Spectrum cable and high-speed internet and yard maintenance is included in the HOA fee. There is a 5-mile walking trail around the community. Call today for your private showing. For more information, review the details below.